Rajasthan unfolds. Rajasthan has been popular all around the globe for its varied traditional dance forms, which are very much different as only skilled people can authentically perform them since they are immensely skillful, albeit attractive and somewhat enjoyable by any age group. The Ghumar dance from Udaipur and Kalbelia dance of Jaisalmer have undeniably gained international recognition. Folk music being a vital part of Rajasthani culture are folk songs, commonly ballads, which relate heroic deeds and love stories, religious or devotional songs known as bhajans and banis were mainly used to entertain kings for passing time. Kalbelia, popularly known as Sapera or snake charmer dance of Rajasthan, is performed by a tribe of the same name. Glorifying India's name in UNESCO's representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity, Kalbelia dance form comprising of males who play various traditional instruments and females who dance sensuously to the music outshines the popularity chart all around the world from the year 2010. This native tribe of Rajasthan move frequently from one place to another rather than having stable homes and have been proudly transmitting this folk art over successive generations. The Indian ethnic Marwari spouses hold a very sweet and alluring relationship of strict coyness, albeit juxtaposing an adorable and playful side with the most intensely ambivalent emotions and contested control. In rural areas of Rajasthan, relations between husband and wife are publicly restrained by prescribed attitudes of shame and modesty for the woman, and a less formally enjoined but nonetheless stylized act of detachment or demonstrative authority for men. Women, especially young wives, adorn themselves with self-effacement, yet female folklore songs often comment obliquely on the ironies of the prescribed formalities between husband and wife. Finally, and most deliberately, it is with spousal relationships that performance and behavior appear to diverge most radically, as like wives surpassing the line of reticence and yearning to their husband's closeness even to consume their cooked dal bati, instead of tricking them into mischievous hide-and-seek games, otherwise as enumerated in the Marwari song Chaudhary. Recapitulating Rajasthan, the city of tourist attraction, vividly focuses on hospitality and proudly slogans Padharo Mare Desh.
কোনফালে যাম হ'ব হ'ব হাইকিং ল'ব